Horoscope for the year 2022. Hello everyone, welcome to our Astro Yogi channel. I am Acharya Ananya and we will discuss in detail the year 2022 for every single zodiac sign. Like the year 2020, the year 2021 has been challenging for all of us. However, the vaccine has given a ray of hope, and if the vaccination process goes successfully, the forthcoming year will bring plenty of joy and excitement. With the arrival of a new year, every individual wishes to know their future. We want all our dreams to get fulfilled in the forthcoming year. But there are numerous challenges we might have to face. It's always a good idea to prepare ourselves for all future challenges. There can be some questions regarding how your career would be, your business, married life, finances, relationship and health would be in the year 2022. Besides this, many people wonder whether the new year will be lucky for them or will it bring challenging or problematic situations. To answer all these questions, Astro Yogi has prepared a yearly horoscope for all of you. In the yearly horoscope, you will learn about your future as per your zodiac sign. For example, in the field of work, what kind of result will you achieve in 2022? When it comes to finances, whether you will earn money or your expenses would increase. More questions like how will your behavior and relationships will be with your family members, or will your love life will become more romantic or would it be filled with problems? The answers to all these questions can be found in the yearly horoscope we have created for you. But before beginning the yearly horoscope 2022, let us first look at the first house for the major house transits, solar and lunar eclipses and important festivals that will be taking place in 2022. Also, you will be provided with a lucky number, lucky color and astrological tips as per your zodiac sign. So make sure you watch the video till the end. If you haven't yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, subscribe to it and click on the bell icon. Also do like, share and comment if you like the video. Major house transits of the year 2022. Let's discuss that. Saturn, Rahu, Ketu planets will also transit in 2022. Let's discuss them. On Tuesday, 2022, 12th of April, Rahu transits from Taurus to Aries. And on the same date, Ketu transits from Scorpio to Libra. After this, Jupiter would transit from Aquarius to Pisces on Wednesday, 13th of April 2022. Then, on 29th of April 2022, Saturn will transit from Capricorn and enter Aquarius. However, on the 12th July 2022, Saturn will retrograde and shift to Capricorn. Major eclipses of the year 2022. In the year 2022, there will be 2 solar eclipses and 2 lunar eclipses. Solar eclipses. The first solar eclipse of 2022 will occur on 30th of April 2022 in the partial solar eclipse. This eclipse will be noticeable in South America, Antarctica, the Atlantic Ocean and the Pacific Ocean. Also, the second solar eclipse will be a partial solar eclipse and it will occur on Tuesday, 25th of October 2022. This eclipse will be noticeable in Urals, Middle East, Northeast of Africa, Europe and West Asia. Now let's talk about lunar eclipses. The first lunar eclipse of 2022 will occur on 15th or 16th May in a blood moon. This will be seen in some parts of South America, Europe, Africa and Asia. The second lunar eclipse will happen on 8th of November 2022 as a complete lunar eclipse. Now this eclipse will be noticeable in many parts of North America, Australia, Asia, North and East parts of Europe and several parts of South America. Major festivals for the year 2022 are Holi, which would be celebrated on Saturday, 19th March 2022. Hindu New Year 2079 will begin from 2nd April 2022. Chaitra Navratri will be celebrated from 2nd April to 10th April 2022. Raksha Bandhan will be 11th August 2022. Ganesh Chaturthi 31st August 2022. The starting of Shardiya Navratri would be from 26th September to 4th October 2022. Vijayadashami, that is Dussehra, the festival of triumph of good over evil, would be celebrated on 25th of October 2022. Karwa Chauth will be celebrated on Thursday, 13th October 2022. The festival of Diwali will be celebrated on Monday, 24th November 2022. If you want more details, you can go to our official website Astro Yogi and get all the details plus auspicious time and worship method. So you viewers, the year 2022 will begin with Virgo ascendant, Scorpio in Scorpio and Jyeshtha Nakshatra. Scorpio yearly horoscope for 2022. Let's understand how the yearly horoscope 2022 will be like for Scorpio natives. The yearly horoscope 2022 indicates what is special for you this year. Everyone is always eager to know about the upcoming new year and the opportunities and the challenges the year will bring in every person's life. Now, every person wants to be well prepared for the impending future so that they can obtain the best outcomes. People also have various questions in their mind. To answer these questions, Astro Yogi has brought you your horoscope for 2022, which is based on your zodiac sign. Astro Yogi's predictions for 2022 are made based on the assessment of the position of the planets, constellations, etc. and their impact on each zodiac sign. What is the Scorpio yearly horoscope 2022 reveals about you? How will the year be for Scorpio natives' love life? What will this year 2022 bring in the professional life of Scorpio natives? Will Scorpio natives undergo economic challenges or they'll be successful in accumulating wealth in 2022? How will the relationship of Scorpio individuals be with their family members in 2022? What does the horoscope of the year says for Scorpio natives? New Year 2022 will be beneficial for the Scorpio natives. If you had taken any loan, the previous one, it would get repaid and there is a likelihood of progress in your business. You will also get your money back. Jupiter will go into Pisces on 13th of April, which will prove favorable for you. It is a good time for working people. If you concentrate and perform well in your work, then you can achieve success. Saturn going into Aquarius will give you good result as per your hard work. Jupiter will be in retrograde on 29th of April, so don't do any work without thinking. Also avoid making decisions. However, retrograde Jupiter will not harm you in this position. Rahu will transit in Aries on 12th of April 2022. This transit will make you work hard and the position will increase your fortune and bring you success by getting you out of every problem. Take care of your health though. The year 2022 will be good for the Scorpio individuals in love. The people who want a love marriage will get their wishes fulfilled. However, estrangement might happen in your married life. This year will be good for the students who wish to study abroad. There will be some variations during the mid-year. You are advised to think wisely and solve the issues and look after the health of your family members. On 30th of April 2022, the first solar eclipse of the year will occur and will settle in the 6th house of Scorpio. The sun in the 6th house is auspicious for the promotion of government employees. Your secret enemies will be defeated. You will feel active. There will be another solar eclipse on 25th of October. The sun will be residing in the 12th house of Scorpio. Now, this position of sun isn't favorable for you. You will be involved in legal matters and you have to pay attention to your father's health in specific. More money will be spent there than required. So focus on saving money. In the year 2022, the first lunar eclipse will occur in Scorpio on 16th of May 2022. This state of moon will fill you with negative thoughts. You will begin overthinking, because of which a situation of tension will arise. You are advised to stay cool. After that, on 8th of November, there will be a lunar eclipse in Aries, wherein the moon will be settling in the 6th house of Scorpio. Those who wish to take a loan for business will get the loan. You will be involved in religious trips and religious activities. Scorpio finance is what we will discuss next for the year 2022. As per Scorpio finance horoscope 2022, the starting of the year will prove to be good for you. You will get enough money from whatever work you do. You will be able to deposit that money in the form of savings from which you will gain stable wealth, and your economic condition will become better with every single day. Your income will decline at the start of the year, but there will be many problems with financial management. During the mid-year, mainly between May and July, you will need to work extremely hard to gain money. This year, you will have a definite income source, which will aid you in making financial arrangements. At the start of the year, you will get the opportunity to have sought for a long time. This year, you must attempt to complete all your work strategically. You will achieve success and enemies will not be able to harm you. Yearly Finance Horoscope 2022 will be good for you from a financial perspective. During this period, you will gain economic benefits plus the assistance of higher officials. On 13th April, Jupiter will transit in Pisces, settling in the 5th house of Scorpio. This condition of Jupiter will be economically fulfilling. Besides financial benefits, there will be an increase in prestige too. On 12th of April 2022, Rahu will go into Aries, which will be placed in the 6th house of Scorpio, and Ketu will be residing in the 12th house. Now, this situation of Rahu will prove to be normal from a financial perspective. You can achieve financial benefits from overseas. At the same time, this situation of Ketu will give you money from 2 or 3 sectors. On 29th of April, Saturn will transit in Aquarius and will be positioned in the 4th house of Scorpio. This condition of Saturn will make obstructions related to wealth. However, because of the other transiting positions of the planets, problems can be easily resolved. Invest sensibly throughout this period. Even though Saturn is residing in its own sign, you will not undergo economic loss. But because of the existence of Saturn in the 1st house of Scorpio, there can be a partial loss. After that, on 12 July 2022, Saturn will retrograde again and go into Capricorn. This condition of Saturn will give you promising outcomes from the struggles you have gone through for financial gains. Now, as per Astro Yogi's prediction, Jupiter will be retrograde mode till on 29th of July 2022, due to which new sources of income will open. However, because of the sight of Jupiter in the expenditure house, there will also be a surplus of expenditure. Due to this, there will be trouble in the accumulation of wealth. As a result of the aspect of Jupiter in the 8th house, you can discreetly acquire wealth. Investments made on real estate throughout this period can bring you profits in the future. Hence, it would be better to invest capital sensibly instead of spending money on unnecessary expenditure. The situation of Mars in transit in the 1st, 3rd, 10th and 11th house will benefit you positively. This situation of planet Mars will motivate you to try something new. Throughout this period, you will begin some new work and you will get some money for the same. On the whole, as per the Scorpio Finance Horoscope 2022, everything will be favorable for you in terms of money. You are advised to make good use of the wealth and limit unnecessary expenditure. Increase your efforts at this time to secure your future and give up idleness. Now let's discuss the Scorpio Love Horoscope for the year 2022. As per Scorpio Love Horoscope, the starting of the year will be good for you. If you love somebody, then your love relationship will become stronger this year. This year, you will be able to express your feelings to your partner. If you are not in any kind of romantic relationship, this year will help you get one. Get your life partner or your love partner. It is possible that during a tour, you will meet your love partner and this meeting will turn into a close relationship. Also, April, May, July and October will be great for your love relationship. If you're married, then you will start gaining good outcomes from the beginning of the year itself. You will get love from your life partner. Your partner will guide you in different aspects of life. It will turn out to be a very beneficial time, and especially keeping long term in mind. This year is highly beneficial to start your business. If you do any business with your partner's advice, you will surely earn profit and see positive outcomes from them. As per the yearly love horoscope 2022, married couples will have ups and downs, but this year will be normal for unmarried people in relationships. On 13th April, Jupiter will transit in Pisces, which will stay in the 5th house of Scorpio. This situation of Jupiter will be favorable for people in love. For lovers who have been thinking about love marriage for a long time, their wishes will be fulfilled. Those who haven't been married will be getting married too. On 12th April 2022, Rahu will go into Aries and Ketu will stay in the 12th house. This state of Rahu-Ketu will lessen your happiness. On 29th of April 2022, Saturn will go into Aquarius from Capricorn and settle in the 4th house of Scorpio. This situation of Saturn will create tension in the relationship. During this time, it would be better to try to understand each other. Now on 12th of July 2022, Saturn will retrograde and go into Capricorn again, due to which people in love will get good news. During this period, you will spend quality time with your partner, due to which you will have positive energy. Moreover, Jupiter will retrograde on 29th of July 2022, because of which you can get happiness of childbirth. However, Astro Yogi's predictions state in 2022, there is a likelihood of tension in married life. You are advised to spend quality time and give importance to each other's opinion. Avoid involving any outsider in the quarrel between you and your spouse this year. Solve your dispute with mutual understanding. On the other hand, Scorpio natives in love are advised to take good advantage of this time and tie the knot. Scorpio family horoscope. Let's understand how does that look. As per the Scorpio family horoscope 2022, this year will be a mixed bag for you. On 13th April 2022, Jupiter will go into Pisces, which will be residing in the 5th house of Scorpio. This state of Jupiter will be favorable for the children. Couples who don't have children will get the happiness of having children. This year, an auspicious event will take place in your home, owing to which there will be an atmosphere of joy in your family. This year, you will get the complete support of your siblings regarding anything you do. Because of the existence of Jupiter in the 1st house, your respect in the society will increase and there will be work, progress, everything will be good. During this period, family members will vigorously take part in religious activities. You can go on religious tour with your family as well. On 12th of April, Rahu will go into Aries, settling in the 6th house of Scorpio. This condition of Rahu will create estrangement between you and your spouse, as a result of which you will have psychological stress. Because Scorpio is the family house owner, you will get complete support from the family throughout this period. As per the yearly family horoscope 2022, Saturn will go into Aquarius on 29th April 2022, settling in the 11th house of Scorpio. This state of Saturn can make you travel far. During this period, it will also be necessary to look after the well-being of your parents. Now, Jupiter will retrograde on 29th of July, due to which you will get comfort, joy and prosperity. Your needless expenditure will also increase during this time, which can lead to psychological stress. However, at this time, the chances of purchasing real estate are also there. While Mars is located in the 1st, 3rd, 10th and 11th house in the transit, it will give you profits from everywhere. You will get the happiness of having a family in 2022. Even if you do not get the chance to spend much time with your family, they will still support you. Now this year you will be able to get success in business with the support of your family. Overall, the Scorpio family horoscope 2022 states that things will be better than usual from the family perspective. Besides the increase in wealth in the family, joy and prosperity will also be there. You are advised to limit unnecessary expenditure and pay attention to parents' well-being. Put a stop to the estrangement between you and your spouse. The Scorpio career horoscope for 2022. As per the Scorpio career horoscope 2022, the beginning portion of the year will be good for working people. You will get full respect at your job and your work will be appreciated. You might get an employment offer in government sector, which you will get after clearing a competitive examination. The last part of the year will be good for your work. You need to be watchful from March to April, as there might be a change in your job during this period. Besides this, between June to July, you might also be at risk of losing your job, so be very careful. For some people, there are possibilities of a job transfer in August, but September and October will be good for you. During November, there will be a possibility of traveling abroad due to work. If you are doing business, your intelligence will give you quadruple success in your business. The middle of the year will be fragile for your business, but the last months will be fairly good. You need to work seriously on your expansion strategies, and you can also take loans for your business expansion. As per the yearly career horoscope 2022, this year will be good for you in terms of career. On 13th of April 2022, Jupiter will go into Pisces, which will be settling in the 5th house of Scorpio. This condition of Jupiter will be very favorable for business persons. During this period, there will be a chance to do business abroad. On 12th of April 2022, Rahu will go into Aries, which will reside in Scorpio's 6th house. The state of Rahu can create a situation of disorientation for people who have jobs. At this time, do not make any decisions under the influence of somebody else's words. People who have jobs should keep their steadiness without making any changes. For those willing to take a transfer to a different job, this period will be challenging for them. On 29th of April 2022, Saturn will go into Aquarius from Capricorn, residing in the 4th house of Scorpio. This is Saturn's own zodiac sign. This situation of Saturn can result in a monetary loss in business, as a result of which there will be mental stress. So don't make any business decision at this time. On 29th of July 2022, Jupiter will be retrograde. At this time, you will get reunited with your higher officials, which will benefit your business. People associated with import-export sector will gain enormous success, but they will need to unnecessarily stop expenditure. According to Astro Yogi prediction, capital will need to be invested in the correct place to make good money this year. On 12 July 2022, Saturn will retrograde and again move to Capricorn, residing in the 3rd house of Scorpio. This condition of Saturn will make you valor worthwhile. The work completed during this period will bring you a lot of success. Trips made during this time will also get you success, but stay away from working in partnership. While in transit, Mars will be sitting in the 1st house, 3rd house, 10th and 11th house. Then you will achieve success from every side. On the whole, the career horoscope for Scorpio natives 2022 states to be very good. There would be hard work, there would be period of ups and downs, but overall it will give you good results. Unnecessary expenditure will have to be controlled and the wealth must be invested in right place. Working people will need to keep their steadiness without making any alterations. Now let's talk about some astrological tips for Scorpios for 2022. Go to Lord Hanuman temple and look at Hanuman and read Hanuman Chalisa. Offer red rose garland to Hanuman temple on Tuesdays. Drink water only in copper vessel. For good luck, leave the house by touching the feet of your mother. Offer prasad made of jaggery. Auspicious color for Scorpio natives for the year 2022 is red and white, whereas the number for this year for Scorpio native, which is auspicious for them, is 9 and 2. This is a generalized prediction for all the signs. For a personalized prediction in detail, reach out to the top astrologers now at Astro Yogi.
Astro Yogi, India's #1 live astrology app.